Meet Kiki, automatic translation for Slack. Your teammates write in their own language and everyone reads the conversation in theirs. In the next 2 minutes, you'll have it running in your workspace. Head to kikitranslate.com and click Add to Slack. Pick your workspace, hit Allow, and Kiki joins in seconds. No credit card, the free plan is free forever. Setup is just a conversation. In any channel, say, "Hey Kiki, set English and Japanese here." That's it. The channel now translates both ways. From now on, every message is translated automatically, right in the thread, visible to the whole team. You write hello. Your teammate reads konnichiwa. Need entire channels in different languages? Ask Kiki to mirror them. She asks which language each side should use, then wires both channels herself. Now it's one conversation across 2 rooms. Every message flows both ways, translated under the original author's name. Prefer buttons? /translate opens the control panel, languages, mirror groups, glossary, acronyms, and your usage all in one place. And to translate any single message, just react with a flag emoji. Kiki starts free, no card, live in under 2 minutes. Add her to your Slack today at kikitranslate.com.